Hi guys, welcome back to my colourful country life. So today I wanted to show you this Japanese colouring book that I found. It caught my eye while I was scrolling through Amazon as it reminds me of the Romantic Country series by Erie. It was actually released back in 2016 though, so you may have already seen this book around or you may even own it already. The title of the book translates to Dream Store's colouring book. And the illustrator's name, excuse my pronunciation, Chiaki Ida. And the paper actually feels quite similar to the paper from the Romantic Country books as well. So, if we have a look inside. Now, this is all in Japanese, but there's a little message here and I have translated it for you guys. I'll read out what it says. As a child, I used to play with dolls as the owner of a cute shop. Browsing the old street shops was my greatest pleasure. The window displays captured my heart, and I can't wait to see all the cute items that catch my eye. Even as an adult, I still seem to long for a store like a kid. Scrolling through these pages, a little girl is wandering alone through the cute little shopping streets. You can change the doors, signboards, products and interiors to a number of different colours. It's all up to you to decide which shops and which streetscapes it will be. Create your own shops with your favourite colouring tools. A wonderful shop I met on the first street. What it looks like inside, the excitement of opening the door. If you colour each page with such emotion, I will be extremely happy, as if reminiscing on old memories. Enjoy a wonderful time. Now, this section here at the top are your recommended tools. So this part here says coloured pencils are the most recommended for this book. And over here it says you can use watercolour, but be careful with using too much water if you do use watercolour paints. Then here is a step-by-step guide on how to colour with your pencils from light to dark. And the bottom section here is just some colouring tips explaining how to add depth with shadows and adding white as highlights as well. Most of these things that we do usually know as colourists. Then we get into the pictures. The pictures are all hand drawn, and as you can see, the lines are quite light, sort of a grey in colour. Look at all these beautiful details. And now I'll just start the flip through. Here we have a town map showing all the different shops that you can colour, nice and detailed. And at the back here we have some postcards that you can cut out and some smaller pictures. Okay, and then we've got the cutouts here. On the inside of the dust jacket we have 2 more books. This one I have seen before, this one's on my wish list, but this one I haven't. So I'm going to go have a look now and see if I can find it. I'd like to have a look at that one too, I think. So the book is available from Amazon. In Australia, it is currently 27 Australian dollars, $27.28, I think, to be exact. Let me know down below what you think of the book, and also let me know if you already own it. As usual, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to come find us in the Facebook group. We have a lovely little community in there, and also on Instagram at My Colourful Country Life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.